Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I have come out for coffee and desserts. So I'll guide you how to choose the best option when you come out for your desserts or your general dining out, so that you can stay fit and still enjoy life. So let's get started. So here is our cappuccino and here is our chocolate pudding. Let's talk about this later. First come to this cappuccino part. Now whenever you come outside to have coffee, you have many options like Americano or cappuccino. So try to go with your safest bet is Americano, but most people don't like black coffee. So always try to go for cappuccino. And one pro tip that we can tell you is to always ask if there's a option of skim milk available. And always tell them to put sugar on the side. And if you want sugar in your coffee, we'll suggest to go with Splenda, as it is 0 calorie, or any other Indian brand such as Sugar Free. Avoid this. This sachet is of 5 grams and it contains 5 grams. So 5 gram sugar, that means it's 20 calories. So 20 unnecessary additional calories to your coffee when you can have the same taste with 0 calorie sweeteners such as Splenda. This says 0 calories. And if you don't want cappuccino, you can also go for latte, macchiato and everything. But then the calories add up as you change the variety of your coffee. It all depends on how much milk has been used. And if you use something like hazelnut cappuccino or frappuccino, they are going to add unnecessary sugar syrups and flavorings, which will increase the calories furthermore. So your 60 to 100 calorie cappuccino can easily become 250 to 300 calorie cappuccino if you add flavorings and sauces and syrups. So guys, this is our dessert. So they've done a really good job by mentioning the calories over here, and they've even gone a step further and mentioned the macros also. If you add the macros up, you'll find that the calories mentioned are exact, which is again not usually correct, especially in India. The nutrition labels tend to lie. So if you eat this entire cup, this is of 100 grams and the calories are also mentioned per 100 grams, as you can see. So if you eat this entire thing, as per them, you're consuming 250 calories. And it's quite accurate, I would say. If you eat this according to my estimate also, this is around anywhere between 250 to 350 calories maximum. And along with this cappuccino, this contains anywhere between 50 to 150 calories depending upon the milk. But since this was a small size, so it does not contain more than 100 calories. So you are eating around 400 calories for this total meal. It's quite good, as you can see. And considering the price, less than 150 rupees, it's actually quite amazing. So I'll go ahead and order a brownie now. Hi guys, this is our chocolate brownie, and this is super chocolatey, and it weighs a lot as well. Generally brownies are small, so they contain around 200 to 250 calories per piece, but because this is around more than 100 grams, so it will be around 400 to 450 calories. Plus they have put walnuts on top to increase the calories. Walnuts, though very healthy, contain omega-3 fatty acids, are still a calorie dense item. So if you're trying to lose weight, make sure to limit their consumption. In moderation, any kind of nut is okay. So let's dive in. This was the video for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and if you want future videos like these where we teach you helpful tips how to eat out, then don't forget to drop your comments. Thanks for watching.